Hi, this is Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And my tip today is for changing the stamps that you may have got, the sentiment that you might have got. One of the ways that I do that is I sometimes snip stamps apart like that, so I can actually stamp them layered up like that rather than simply in a line like that. But today what I'm going to do is just show how you can cut out part of your stamp without actually cutting the stamp. And I understand that some people might not feel comfortable cutting their stamps apart. So what I'm going to do is take some washi tape. I've just got some washi tape here. And I'm going to mask off the portion of the stamp that I don't want to show. So this is how I've used the stamp on a card, and what I did, rather than having the "Have a Happy Father's Day" handsome, I'm actually masking off the handsome bit, and we're going to ink the stamp. So give it a good inking. Lots of light tapping, and then the important thing to remember is to peel away the washi tape out of the way. And then we're just going to stamp this on our basic white, hold it in place a few seconds, and there we've got "Have a Happy Father's Day." I can die cut that out and then use some of my gilded gems for embellishment. So I hope that helps for those crafters that don't want to cut apart their stamps, either because they feel a bit nervous of doing so, or simply you want to keep your stamps intact. Then that method of using washi tape, you can use paper, but I quite like using washi tape because it tacks in place, rather than you having to hold the paper in place. And because it's washi tape, you can tear bits and use whichever bits you want masked off, so it's nice and easy. So I hope that tip helps. Please subscribe to my channel for future quick tips, and also for my quick cards on a Monday. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next week.